Hi, my program was Brigade Boys and Girls Club implementing a healthy habits program and catering the program to the youth at the club. In addition to that, I designed a new session from scratch with coordination with my internship supervisor based on an unmet need that the program did not address from the community. In New Hanover County, lots of the children are not meeting the nutritional standards that they should be. Among low-income children, that number is even less. Brigade Boys and Girls Club are located in low-income areas in New Hanover County, and this is the population that they serve. Healthy Habits is specifically nutrition focused. We talk about my plate, we talk about how to choose healthy foods, what drinks you should and should not be drinking, the importance of drinking water, how being healthy makes you feel, and how to make the best decisions you can for your health. The program uses social cognitive theory. We found that this fit the best for this population. It addresses personal factors as well as environmental factors for the kids so they know how to make the best decisions for themselves and as well how to respond to outside factors that can influence what they eat and their nutrition. We did 10 sessions, one each week, with different groups split by age and gender. There was 6 to 8 participants in each group. So it was a small group. We had very high levels of participation. The kids were engaged. Each session was meant to be fun and have activities planned. We did science experiments, all sorts of things to get the kids involved and excited and have fun and healthy habits. Our impact objectives focus on attitudes and behavior so the kids think positively about health and change the behavior in what they're eating. One of our impact objective goals was to have the amount of fruits and vegetables consumed by the students by the end of the program to increase by 30%. Participation has been very high, and knowledge throughout the program has grown significantly. Children, after week 7, they were familiar with my plate. They could tell you the different categories and what section the foods went into, and they could tell you about the sugar and drinks and how water was always the best option to drink. Continuing to implement this program and specifically catering it to the youth at Brigade can have great positive effects on the health and academic abilities of the students as they're focused in school and meeting the nutritional guidelines set for them so that they can continue to grow and develop as they age. It can also show prevention in chronic diseases later on in life if the program is continued as intended throughout the age of kindergarten through 18 years. This program was administered at Brigade Boys and Girls Club with direction from the program coordinator who did the grant work and evaluation for this program and helped explain to me how to implement it as such. And here are my references. Thank you.